here we are, riding with my friend Tian. We're trying to get down to the coast and do a little bit of filming. I'm going to try and speak as loud as I can. This is the second time I'm doing this. We're riding the Weped Ss with its PMT tires, and I can tell you something, the riding dynamics are just totally different from OEM tires. This is just incredibly balanced. They turn the corners again slowly and fast. There's no bike trying to this is our friend Tian here, riding the Nanbot. You can say hi YouTube.
Huh?
Hi YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah.
And it's not that thing to me on the edge. The point of contact, you know, between fire and ground. This is just night and day and night, all day. Excellent. Well done, that's right. We'll bring these out. Weped rider, this is what you requested. You gotta get to these tires. They are totally cool. I mean, if you have one of these big bikes, so the Weped Ss, FS, FX, GT, Kane out there, get these tires. Very great. Are they slippery? Not as far as I've seen so far. Of course, you know you're gonna burn with every. I mean, if you're gonna burn with stock tires, you're gonna burn with these. But you just gotta ride sensibly. Can't be messing around in the rain and all that kind of